Often produce few chicks because of various reasons. In this video, farmers from Bangladesh will guide us on how to increase the production of local chickens. But let us first hear some of the benefits of rearing local chickens.
I don't need to spend extra time for rearing native chickens. It doesn't cost much. They sell easily in the market because of its taste, and I managed to get a good price in market from this.
So how do we get started? Some farmers prefer to buy chicks from local hatcheries, but you can also buy healthy native chickens from the market for rearing. Select only healthy chickens that appear energetic, have a strong body, and can run quite fast. A healthy chicken will have tight skin and smooth feathers. Chickens with loose skin and rough feathers are possibly sick. One of the main chicken diseases is Newcastle disease. To ensure the chickens you buy don't have it, select alert birds that move around and have a clean anus. It shouldn't have diarrhea. A healthy chicken starts to lay eggs once she's about 5 months old and can live for about 2 to 3 years. To ensure more income, make sure the chicken you're selecting has not laid eggs before.
A chicken that has laid eggs before appears heavier than the ones who has not. If you touch her stomach, it appears hard, while a chicken that has not laid eggs yet has a relatively softer stomach. The mother chickens also weigh heavier.
From morning to evening, native chickens hunt for their own feed around houses and fields. They mostly eat field grains, insects, earthworms, green leaves, crop residues, and kitchen waste. For better growth, you can also give your chickens and chicks broken rice, corn, barley, and semolina. To feed a family, you need about 6 chickens. You can keep more chickens if you have a large family, or you want to make a business from the chickens or eggs. A common misconception is that you need a rooster in order to get eggs. But of course, this isn't true. You only need a rooster if you want fertilized chicken eggs. Keep just 1 rooster for up to 9 hens to produce more chicks. When you have too many males, they fight amongst themselves. So fewer eggs will be fertilized and fewer chicks will be born. A broody hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm, as she wants to hatch her eggs and raise chicks. But often 4 out of 10 fertilized eggs do not produce chicks. As the mother hen goes out to scavenge for food, the eggs do not get enough warmth and can be eaten by predators such as dogs, civets, monkeys, and foxes. By giving feed and water near the brooding hens, they don't have to go far, and the eggs will still stay warm for hatching.
When it's almost time for hatching the eggs, we give the chickens food and water near them. When I put food around the mother chicken, they no longer need to move, and most eggs hatch into chicks. If they keep moving away for food, it will interrupt the hatching and ruin the eggs.
It takes 22 to 23 days for the chicken eggs to hatch. After 8 days, check the eggs with a torch to see if cells are visible or not. If cells are not visible, the eggs are not fertilized. Remove the unfertilized eggs and leave the fertilized ones for hatching. Newborn chicks also require heat from their mother's body for proper growth. The mother tucks her chicks close to her body for the whole night to provide heat for them. Chickens stop laying eggs temporarily when tending to their chicks. By separating the chicks from their mother, the mother will start to lay eggs again sooner. During warmer season, separate the chicks from their mothers after 7 days of hatching. During the cold season, separate them after 14 days. Although native chickens often sleep outside, they're best kept in a henhouse at night to protect them from predators.
We rear native chicken in a shed made with straw and jute, ensuring proper ventilation. I always keep the shed clean, and whenever it gets muddy, I wipe the place. Since chickens like to lay eggs on a soft surface, I keep straw or sand on the ground. I also make sure that the shed protects the chicken from predators.
If the henhouse has 2 levels, you can use the upper tier of the henhouse for the chicks and the lower one to keep the chickens. The henhouse should be cleaned every 2 weeks to help keep the chickens healthy.
We make sure the chickens lay eggs on a layer of ashes, which protects them from germs. A week after hatching, we vaccinate the chicks to prevent the common diseases like Newcastle, cholera, and pox. We clean the chicken shed and their feeding bowls with potassium water to avoid any kind of illness. We always check if the chickens are clean themselves. To escape diseases,